Hello, this is 42 Fairbanks Street, apartment 1. I'm gonna start at the front door and show you around. Over here we have a living room. It's pretty nice, pretty big. We had a TV. I might get a new one. I might not. We'll see. We have a hallway here. That's my room. That's my closet. This is one of the rooms that's going to be rented. It has its own closet inside, and a dresser. Yeah, it's a room. It's pretty nice. This is the bathroom. I don't know. It's a bathroom. It's pretty nice. This is the other room that's being rented. It also has its own closet and a small dresser. Yep. That's the back that you can see out of. This is the kitchen. It's got an oven, fridge. We have a really nice pantry, which is really big. We can put a lot of food in here. We had it separated by person. We each got a shelf. So now that my roommates are out, it's just my shelf that has food on it. We have a toaster. I'm getting a microwave. Yeah, that's about all. Out back, there's a nice patio area and parking spots for cars.